How to cancel premium renewal on Roblox. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can cancel premium renewal on Roblox, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. Now premium renewal basically means that when your subscription ends at the end of this month, Roblox is going to charge you automatically. That it is going to renew the subscription automatically, right? And then let's say you don't want the renewal to happen, or you're simply talking about how you can cancel the auto pay. Well, it's very simple. So first of all, go ahead and then launch the Roblox application like this. Once you launch a Roblox app, you're going to see this type of interface where you just have to tap the three dots icon from the bottom right hand side of the screen. Once you tap the three dots icon from the bottom right, you'll find a section where it says premium from the top right hand side of the screen. Once you find an option called premium, you just have to select the option called billing. And when you go to billing, you'll find a section called cancel renewal button, and just follow the prompts until the subscription is completely cancelled. So in my case, I don't have premium. If you do have, then you'll most likely find the option to cancel it right over here. This way, when you cancel your premium, you're not going to get charged next month, and the renewal process is basically going to get cancelled as well. That is it for today's video on how you can cancel your premium renewal on Roblox. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.